Hey Callie, I love cooking over charcoal. I love the flavor and the process of it, but sometimes I get a little jealous of that nice big cooking surface of a gas grill and the side shelves for prep area. I don't suppose you got anything that could help me out. As a matter of fact, charcoal aficionado, I do have a grill for you. Take a look at this Napoleon charcoal professional grill. Beautiful stainless steel, nice big cooking surface area, side shelves on both sides. But this thing, I promise, is a charcoal grill. Take a look at this. You'll load the charcoal down here so that you can cook on this thing all day long. Cast iron cooking grids, 605 square inches of cooking space on this thing. Back here is a nice chamber that you can put charcoal in so that you can cook over rotisserie here on your charcoal grill. Pretty sweet, right? And one of my favorite features, the charcoal bed area is adjustable. So take this lever, raises and lowers the charcoal bed underneath the grates. So if you want to do high heat searing, put it up. If you want to do low and slow, put it down. Super versatile. Roll top lid for nice lightweight handling of the lid, as well as helps to keep the heat in a little bit. This right here is a shield so that the wind doesn't come in the back of the grill and give you airflow that you don't want and that you can't control. And speaking of airflow, down here we've got an adjustable vent system that allows you to control the airflow just as you would on any charcoal grill. Under grill storage, super handy. And unlike with the propane grill, you don't have to take up that storage area with a propane tank because you, my friend, are a charcoal aficionado. So if you're a charcoal aficionado looking to step up your grilling game, take a look at the Napoleon Charcoal Professional. Upgrade your grilling game.